Hello, I'm Nerida and I'm with the great man here, Sashi from Sashi Secrets. How are you, Sashi?
I'm very good, Nerida. How are you?
Oh, good. And I'm so honoured to be in my little kitchen with a Masterchef.
This is a very simple Malaysian chicken curry. It's a little different from authentic Indian chicken curry. This is a Malaysian base, so you have some nice rich coconut flavour coming through it.
Yeah.
So everything that we have come up with in the range is 20 to 30 minutes max.
Yes.
We give you what is required.
Yes.
Most of the ingredients in the package itself. You have the
Okay.
coconut cream.
Yes.
You have the curry paste.
Yes.
And you also have some spice pack. You don't need much. You
No.
need the protein.
Yep.
And you need potato. And if you want a bit more of color, you can add other vegetables like carrot, capsicums, or even zucchini.
Okay, so I want to watch how quickly you
Yes.
prepare this.
Sure, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, to start, just add 1 tablespoon of, can be any oil, can be ghee, can be oil, any kind of fat that you want to add into the dish.
Yes.
I like ghee. And the first thing you will add is the curry paste.
Okay.
Even though the curry paste is cooked, you
Yes.
want to have a little bit of caramelization going on before you add the chicken. So this pan is very hot at the moment, so
Okay.
just be careful. Now coat the chicken well with the curry paste and let it cook for about good 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna add the potatoes. The importance of having the potatoes even size is very important for this, because the potatoes and the chicken cooks approximately the same time. I'm adding the coconut milk now. And together with the coconut milk, I'm also adding about half a cup of water.
Smells amazing.
I'm going to add the third packet, a bit of chili.
Yes.
I'm going to tear it into a few pieces.
Oh.
So all the seeds will be coming out. But if you don't want that, you can choose to put it whole. Or if you don't feel like having chilies, you can totally remove it.
Okay.
But this is a must. The curry leaves are
Nice
must.
smell.
Yes.
Yeah.
These are dried curry leaves, but when you drop them into the curry, it will hydrate back again,
Okay.
and you will still get the same result.
Okay.
And that gives a nice aroma to the dish. And to give you a little bit of color and texture to the dish, I'm adding about 1 carrot. You can add any other vegetables,
Yes.
whatever you can find in the fridge.
Yes.
Dump it in. The more the vegetables, the better. It's healthier. So, we are done.
Smells amazing.
Malaysian chicken curry.
Yum.
Okay. So I'm gonna have
Oh.
nice. There's no preservatives going in. All fresh ingredients, and we also source for the best coconut cream that is available in the market. Nice chilies, and also if you want to give a bit of fresh squeeze of lime and a bit of garnish.
But you can't even use the I'm too busy line now.
No, you can do it in
excuses.
less than 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Just got to get some rice or roti and have it with your curry.
Thank you, Sashi.
Thank you.